Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the important topic of cloud computing, that is cloud storage. Cloud is all about storage. It's a unique way and very efficient way of storing data. First of all, let's see some of the facts about cloud storage. So by 2025, global data storage is expected to surpass 200 zettabytes. That is 200 billion terabytes. And out of this, around 50% comes from cloud storage only. In business also, data saves up to 30% of our consumption. So now let's start. Cloud storage is basically a model of data storage where digital data is stored on remote servers accessed through the internet rather than on local storage devices like hard drives or USB drives. This system allows users to save, manage, and retrieve their data from anywhere within an internet connection, making it highly flexible and scalable. Now let's see some of the features of cloud storage. So there are multiple features such as security, accessibility, scalability, cost efficiency, automatic backups as well as data redundancy. Now let's talk about the types of storage. So when we talk about types of storage, there are two different types of storage. In this particular video, we talks about persistent type of storage. So in persistent storage, there are three different types: block storage, object storage as well as file storage. First of all, let's talk about object storage. So, object storage stores data as discrete units, that is, objects with metadata and a unique identifier. The use cases of object storage are ideal for unstructured data like images, videos, backups, and big data analytics. Some of the examples of this type of storage is Amazon S3, Google Cloud, Azure Blob Storage, etc. Now let's talk about block storage. So block storage basically divides data into blocks as the name suggests and stores them separately, allowing for low latency access. Some use cases of block storage are suitable for databases, enterprise applications, and any application requiring high performance. Some examples of block storage are Amazon Elastic Block Storage, which is EBS, Google Persistent Disk, as well as Azure Disk Storage. Last and next type of storage is file storage. So file storage organizes data in a hierarchical structure with directories and files. Some use cases of this type of storage are commonly used for shared storage scenarios such as content management and collaboration. Some example of these type of storage are Amazon Elastic File System, Google File Store, as well as Azure Files. These are basically the types of storage present in persistent type of storage. Now let's talk about integration and ecosystem of storage of cloud. So first of all, the first main point comes is APIs. So most cloud storage services provide RESTful APIs for seamless integration with application and services. Now let's come to third party tools. So there are many tools and platforms offer integration with cloud storage solutions for backup, recovery and management. For example, cloud management platforms, data analytic tools, etc. Our third point is hybrid solutions. Some organizations use a combination of an on-premise and cloud storage, which will benefit from the strength of the both environments. Now let's see the architecture of cloud storage. So at upper layer there are some client devices like desktop, mobile, web browsers which will connect to the front end layer. In front end layer there are load balancers, API gateway and authentication services. Now these authentication services will link to the backend services where are different services are present like file processing service, metadata service, versioning service, synchronization service and many others. Then these backend services will connect to the last storage layer, that is databases, object storage and cache. So this is the overall architecture of our cloud storage. Now let's see some of the use cases of this particular cloud storage. So cloud storage use cases are as testing, backup and disaster recovery, content distribution, collaboration, data archiving, and big data and analytics. There are some more other types of storage are also present, but these are some main important use cases. Now let's solve some of the MCQ types question related to our topic cloud storage. So our question number one is, what is cloud storage? Option A, storage of data on physical device. Option B, storage of data on remote server access through the internet. Option C, storage of data on a local network. Or option D, storage of data in printed form. So the correct option is option B, that is storage of data on remote servers accessed through the internet. Question number 2. Which of the following is a common model of cloud storage? Tape storage, block storage, USB storage, or magnetic storage? So the correct answer is, as we already seen on one of our slides, the correct answer is option B, that is block storage. Let's move to our third question. Which of the following is a common cloud storage provider? And the options are Dropbox, Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop, or Mozilla Firefox. So the correct option is Dropbox. Dropbox is a common cloud storage provider. Let's move to our question number 4. That is, what does the term data redundancy mean in cloud storage? Our options are storing data in multiple formats, backing up data on multiple servers, using different storage providers, or creating duplicate data entries. So here also our correct answer is option number B, that is backing up data on multiple servers. Let's move to our next question. So our fifth question is, which of the following is a benefit of cloud storage? Out of the following options. Option A, limited accessibility. Option B, high maintenance costs. Option C, scalability and flexibility. And our last option is fixed storage capacity. So the correct option out of these four is scalability and flexibility. Now let's come to our next question. What is an advantage of using object storage? As we have already seen in one of our slides, the options are better performance for transactional data, option B, enhanced metadata capabilities, option C, lower cost for unstructured data, and option D, limited data access. So the correct answer of this particular question is option number B, that is enhanced metadata capabilities. Our question number 7. Which protocol is commonly used for transferring files to and from cloud storage? Basically, which of the following out of these protocol will help us in transferring of data from one another? So our option is FTP, our option B is HTTP, option C is SMTP, and last D option is SNMP. So out of these four options, the correct option is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. Now let's move to our which is what is tiered storage in cloud storage. So our options are storing data in multiple regions. Option B is using different storage types based on access frequency. Option C is creating backup copies of data. Option D is increasing the size of storage space. So out of these four options, our correct option is option number B, using different storage types based on access frequency. Okay, so now let's move to our question number 9. That is, what does data encryption in cloud storage refer to? So the options are compressing data to save space. Option B is protecting data by converting it into a secure format. Option C is creating redundant copies of data. And our last option is storing data in multiple locations. So out of these, our correct option is option number B, that is protecting data by converting it into a secure format. Now let's move to our last question of this. That is, which type of cloud storage is best suited for archiving data? Option number A is block storage, option B is file storage, option C is object storage, and option number D is temporary storage. The correct option is option number C, that is object storage. So these are some of the multiple choice questions related to cloud storage. That now let's move to the conclusion of this particular video about cloud storage. So cloud storage is a versatile solution that supports a wide range of applications and use cases. Its flexibility, security features, and integration capabilities make it an essential component of modern IT infrastructure. As cloud technology continues to evolve, we can expect ongoing improvements in performance, security, and cost effectiveness. If you have specific questions or topics about cloud storage you had like to explore further, feel free to ask. Thank you for this particular video. We will meet soon again.